In this video, I'll show you how to increase the quality of your videos in Premiere Pro. It is not mandatory, but it's always a good idea to create an adjustment layer when you're working with effects. Let's go ahead and create one in this example. Just head over to your project panel and create an adjustment layer. Then, place it on top of your clips in the timeline. Make sure the duration of your adjustment layer matches your clips. Next, on the Effects panel, search for the Sharpen and Unsharp Mask effects, and apply both of them to your adjustment layer. In the Effect controls, you can adjust the Sharpen amount to 14, the Unsharp Mask amount to 100, and the radius to 5. Feel free to play around with these values until you get the effect you're looking for. Hear how it looks before and after.